finish, cancel. Nice. Ferrari F430. We are back driving the F430. Sun is shining. Apologise if you can't really see the car. Black always looks dirty, no matter how many times you try to clean it. Unless you do a full-on professional job, it's just difficult. There we go. Anyway, guys, it's Friday, and it's always a good day to be driving an F430. I finished my work for the day. We've actually got a nice Maserati in front of us. I finished my work for the day, so I'm taking the Ferrari out for a drive. Need to fuel up. I mean, I don't need to fuel up really, but I always like to go in, just top it up bit by bit, go and get some pictures, just see what the day brings. Be a great opportunity for me to just open the taps right now, but I'm not going to, and I'll tell you why. It's because we have a police station right there. And they like to creep out. And plus it's a 20-mile-an-hour zone. 20 mile an hour, I hate 20 mile an hour zones. Genuine Ferrari sunglasses. Are they any good? Do you think they're any good? I don't know. I'll stick to my, I like these like Polo Ralph Lauren sunglasses, which I wear. I much prefer those. And you know, the thing with driving a car like this is that it has to be V-power all the time. And V-power is, that's the most expensive, isn't it? I'll just hang around and wait for this guy.
Paul, I sent you on WhatsApp.
What's this? Has this cool little hook where you put it on like that. Okay, what we got? V-power 99. What price are we paying? 164.9. There we are. 77 pounds. 77 English pounds. It seems quite busy here, so I'm going to get some pictures of the car before. Like, there's a big queue, if that makes sense. Kind of really want the Oh, it's nice, isn't it? You like it?
If you want to swap.
You want to swap? Yeah. That's a bit faster than that though. But you can only fit 2 people in that. You can put 3 in that. So you put loads in the back, I suppose. Cheers, see you. You too. Water, bottle of water, I think. Hi, it's number 7, please. Water as well. Got the app there. No, that's great. That's fine. Cheers, mate. Thank you. I didn't even lock it the first time. That's nice. Well, this is the Red Hugh Bridge we're going over now, which kind of takes us into Newcastle. And I'll put my foot down and just see how quickly. It's a 50 mile an hour limit. I mean, I'm doing under 30 now. and that's it. That's legally all I can do, which is such a shame. But these cars, they're built for the track. They don't like to go slow. They're much better in like racing track conditions, and then you can switch it up into race mode. I'll put it back into sport mode. Sport mode's probably best just for driving around. Kind of just doing a scoot straight through here. Well, this is like a race course area where I like to sometimes come and stop for pictures, but didn't realise there was a race day on today, so I would have kind of been quick. Tasty, isn't it?
Oh, it's lush.
It's aye. It's loud. It's like now else. It's just, I know that's what it is. It doesn't like to go slow, you know. It wants to go fast. It sounds daft, but like it chutters and it stops starts when it's slow. But it's
proper lush.
It's built to go.
I love attention. I've got a long line trike.
All right, aye.
And it looks like somewhat out of Mad Max.
Aye.
You get loads of attention.
Aye.
I couldn't afford no.
Aye, don't you? Aye.
It's lush. The calibers on it.
Aye. Carbon ceramics. There's the proper jobs. Aye.
Oh, there's no from TMU on it.
No.
You know what
No, I mean like
car's got it from TMU on it.
Where you know?
Like I've just bought shares in a horse.
Right.
And my mate, he bought a share in a horse 3 years ago.
Right.
And ended up selling the horse for $2.5 million.
Wow.
So he got $250,000 or something.
Aye.
And he's bought 18 other shares in horses, and then he's got me into it.
Yeah.
So
it's these like little real world interactions, and no one's like, that guy there didn't know the camera was on, so he's not playing up for any cameras or anything like that. He's just sort of being genuine, and that's what I love to capture. I love to capture just genuine, real people going about their life. But he was nice. He was a nice guy. He was very humble. So that is what I'm going to go and do, guys. I'm going to go and get a coffee. And it seems like a good place to end this video because it's probably dragged on a little bit too long. Just trying to find a good place for pictures, get a good coffee, have a nice drive of the Ferrari today. Okay. Take care of yourselves, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Just a regular latte, please. Yes, please. Got the app. Latte, yes, thank you. Cheers.